Today, we're gonna have cracked chicken, family. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, for this cracked chicken recipe, all you're gonna need is salt, black pepper, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cream cheese, butter, chicken breast, of course, bacon, shredded cheese, and oil. You can use whatever bacon you like. Today I'm using beef bacon. The story behind this dish was so intriguing, I wanted to make it myself, family. So without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious dish. This is an epidemic! Okay, at this time we're gonna add about 2 to 3 pounds of our chopped bacon. Yes, family. Now the time is gonna vary on how long your bacon is gonna take. But for beef bacon, it took about 8 to 10 minutes to get to this process right here. And it smells beautiful. Yes. Let's do that again. Give me a light. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer over to our chicken breast. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika, family. You can fillet your chicken or you can beat your chicken if you wish. I choose to keep mine whole. Now on the same skillet, we're gonna add our chicken breast, and use the same skillet, family. You do want the bacon flavor on your chicken. Now we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, family. And this is what we're looking for. You don't wanna cook this all the way through because we still have to put this in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna cook that down. And that does smell heavenly. Now at this time, we're gonna switch this over to our baking dish. And at the same time, family, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Now we're gonna make our cracked cream cheese. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, parsley or chives, and you're gonna add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of paprika, and we're gonna give that a good mix as you see here. Believe it or not, family, this mix smells beautiful all by itself. Now at this time, we're gonna go ahead and apply our cracked cream cheese onto our chicken, family. Just as you see here, I'm using forks because it seems to be the easiest way to put it on. And now we're gonna add our bacon bites. Next, our shredded cheese. Now at this time, family, our oven should be at 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in for about 30 minutes. Until then, quick fact. Where does the term cracked chicken come from? It is rumored that it has started from a fried fish joint in Michigan where the seasoning that they put on the chicken wings was so good that they called it crack. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. And after 30 minutes, family, you did this. And this is looking beautiful. Delicious! Yes. At this time, family, you can go ahead and add more bacon bites if you wish. And you can go ahead and garnish it with some parsley, which I'm about to do right now. This would be a beautiful dish for any dinner party, and it's very simple and easy to make. The preparation for everything for this dish, family, to take anywhere from about 45 minutes to an hour. And there you have it. Cracked chicken. This is an epidemic. This looks so delicious. Let's go ahead and put this up for you guys. This is a devastation. And that looks delicious. Now, unfortunately today, family, I can't eat this. I did make this for a guest of mine, but however, it smells beautiful. Please make this when you get a chance to. It's very easy and simple. If you like this video, family, and you found it helpful, please hit subscribe, hit that notification bell to bottom right, hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins, into our next food adventure. Peace.